This video will go over how to move a drone left and right. So the first thing you need to do is go to Mine Plus, go to Events and select when green flag is ticked. Then select Take Off from Function, that's the drone command. Then you'll need to select Fly Left and then Fly Right and then land. And you'll notice that on the Fly Left and Fly Right, it tells you how far it will go. When you're doing it in the classroom, it's best to start with very small numbers first and then increase as you get more confident and know how much space you're able to do. Once you put that together, either click the green arrow or the top button, and if you notice the video on the lower right hand side, the drone takes off. Then in a moment it will go left, which is backwards from what you're looking at it. Then it will go right again and then land basically where it took off. So that is how to move a drone right and left.